Hello, everyone.
Hello, friends. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
We are happy you are here with us today.
Maybe you are cooking.
Maybe you are driving.
Maybe you are walking outside.
Or maybe you are exercising right now.
If you are doing jumping jacks while listening, that is impressive.
Please do not fall over while practicing English.
Safety first, English second, snacks third.
You always think about snacks.
Exercise and snacks are good friends.
Today, we will talk about exercise and staying healthy.
This is an important topic.
Yes, a healthy body helps us feel good.
And a healthy body helps us have more energy.
Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel if you enjoy learning English with us.
Your support helps us make more easy English lessons for learners around the world.
All right, let's begin.
Speaker 1. Do you exercise often?
I try to exercise several times a week.
What kind of exercise do you do?
I like walking.
Walking is a wonderful exercise.
Yes, walking is simple,
Walking is free.
and almost everyone can do it.
You do not need expensive equipment.
You only need comfortable shoes
And maybe good weather.
or a good umbrella.
That is true.
Can everyone repeat after me?
I like walking.
I like walking.
Very good.
Another useful sentence is,
I go for a walk every day.
let's say it slowly.
I go for a walk every day.
Excellent.
How long do you walk?
Usually about 30 minutes.
30 minutes is a good amount of time.
Sometimes I listen to music.
Sometimes I listen to podcasts.
And sometimes I listen to English lessons.
That is a great idea.
You can exercise and learn English at the same time.
2 goals with 1 activity.
Exactly.
Besides walking, what other exercises do you enjoy?
I like riding a bicycle.
Oh, I like cycling too.
Cycling is fun and healthy.
It is also faster than walking.
That is true.
Unless your bicycle is very lazy.
A lazy bicycle?
Yes, maybe it wants to stay home and watch television.
I have never met a lazy bicycle.
You have not met my bicycle. Listeners, can you ride a bicycle?
Tell us in the comments.
You can write,
Yes, I can ride a bicycle.
or,
No, I cannot ride a bicycle.
very simple.
Very useful.
What about running?
Running is very popular.
Many people enjoy running in parks.
Some people run in the morning.
Some people run in the evening.
Do you like running?
I like running when someone is carrying pizza in front of me.
That is a very special kind of exercise.
It is called pizza motivation.
Scientists should study this.
I volunteer for the experiment. Running is good for your heart.
Walking is good for your heart too.
Exercise helps our body stay strong.
Repeat after me.
Exercise helps me stay healthy.
Again.
Exercise helps me stay healthy.
Excellent work.
But exercise is not the only important thing.
That is correct.
Food is important too.
Healthy food gives our body energy.
What healthy foods do you enjoy?
I enjoy fruit.
Me too.
I like apples.
I like bananas.
I like oranges.
I like strawberries.
Fruit is delicious.
And colorful.
Vegetables are important too.
Yes.
Carrots,
Broccoli.
tomatoes.
Cucumbers.
Healthy food helps our body work well.
Can we eat cake every day?
Probably not.
Can we eat cookies every hour?
Definitely not.
This conversation is becoming difficult.
Healthy eating means balance.
Balance is important.
Sometimes healthy food.
Sometimes treats.
Everything in moderation.
That means not too much and not too little.
Exactly.
Another important part of health is sleep.
Sleep is very important.
How many hours of sleep do adults usually need?
Many adults need around 7 to 9 hours of sleep.
Sleep helps our body recover.
Sleep helps our brain work better.
When I do not sleep enough, I forget things.
Like what?
Sometimes I forget where I put my keys.
That happens to many people.
Sometimes I walk into a room and forget why I went there.
That also happens to many people.
Good. I was worried.
Sleep is important for everyone.
Repeat after us.
I try to get enough sleep.
Again.
I try to get enough sleep.
Very good.
Water is also important,
Yes, we should drink enough water.
especially when exercising.
Sometimes people forget to drink water.
Our body needs water every day.
Do you carry a water bottle?
Usually, yes.
Me too.
Repeat after us.
I drink water every day.
Excellent.
What about stretching?
Stretching is important before and after exercise.
Stretching helps our muscles.
And stretching can feel relaxing.
I enjoy stretching in the morning.
It helps wake up the body.
And sometimes it helps wake up the brain,
Sometimes my brain needs extra help in the morning too,
especially before coffee.
especially before coffee.
Exercise can also help our mood.
Yes, many people feel happier after exercise.
Even a short walk can help.
You do not need to be perfect.
You do not need to exercise for 3 hours every day.
Small steps are important.
10 minutes is better than 0 minutes.
A short walk is better than no walk.
Progress is progress.
Exactly.
Let's review some useful phrases.
I like walking.
I like walking.
I go for a walk every day.
I go for a walk every day.
Exercise helps me stay healthy.
Exercise helps me stay healthy.
I try to get enough sleep.
I try to get enough sleep.
I drink water every day.
I drink water every day.
Wonderful job, everyone.
Your listening skills are improving.
And your English is improving too.
Before we finish, we have a question for you.
What is your favorite exercise?
Walking,
Running?
cycling,
Swimming?
dancing?
Or maybe chasing pizza?
That's my favorite exercise.
Please tell us in the comments.
My favorite exercise is
Thank you for spending time with us today.
keep practicing English.
Keep moving your body.
Keep taking care of yourself.
And remember,
A healthy body and a healthy mind are wonderful things.
see you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.